Okay, my boys have never had devil dogs before. Now I know they haven't, experienced many things, but this is one thing I guess they just never done it. So they're gonna try. Who wants to go first? All right, go ahead. Tell me what you like. Go ahead, try it. Tell me what you think of it when you're done.
It's a chocolate Twinkie.
Is that what you call it? Is that what you think it is?
No.
Do you think it's what it is?
That's what I'm calling it.
That's what I thought. All right, try it.
About maybe 2 grams or less of light. That's light, not necessarily heat. That sun's officially going down.
It's definitely a chocolate Twinkie.
Chocolate Twinkie. There's not that much sugar in it as a Twinkie has. Are you crazy?
I bet it does.
No, it doesn't.
I think it does.
Do you like it?
I have no experience
It was good.
whatsoever.
It was good for a Twinkie.
Would you eat another one?
Yes.
Would you buy a box if you?
For myself?
Yeah.
My money? No.
Would you buy a box? Well, you wouldn't buy anything with your money. You would want else to buy it.
He didn't get Mooch for nothing.
Yeah, that's his nickname, Mooch.
Rafting helmet,
Big G?
big old roll of duct tape,
So,
and a map, and it has
well, there you go. They got to do the devil dog for the first time. I haven't had one in a long time, so my wife ate the other half. She didn't give me any. We were going to have French toast today, but my wife forgot to bring cinnamon. So I'm heading over to this market to see if they have any cinnamon. Plus I need to pick up some ice. They charge ice. They charge you for ice here. So I wasn't planning on paying that. Oh, let me get across. So hopefully they have cinnamon here so we can have French toast. I've been looking for that for a while. Well, they didn't have any cinnamon, but I did get ice. We needed that, but still $2.50 for this little bag. For 5 pounds, $2.50. Our hotels charges a quarter. I don't know how much you get, but I think I'm going to try that because I'm thinking this is pretty high. So, no French toast today. But I think she said she's going to make pancakes. But I was really looking forward to French toast. Anywho, that's it for now. We are heading to dinner, and I didn't video any of our beach stuff today, even though I could have at one time when my son, that one, and my wife, they got out of the water and they started looking for us, and they were so far off. They had no idea where we were. It was so funny to watch. My oldest and myself was watching and laughing at them. It was funny though. So, but that was the only time. So we're gonna go to dinner, enjoy some burgers at Stewart's. But I do want to show you guys one thing. Annoying sound. So when it happens, I will make sure that you all can see this. So we walked the boardwalk this whole time to give you guys that annoying noise, and it doesn't happen. If I didn't want to do that for you to hear it, I don't know. So if I didn't want to give you that annoying noise, it would have happened, but it didn't. So let's go eat. Stewart's restaurant is where we're going to eat. So we're upstairs. We get to sit upstairs and eat. So we get to see out there. You trying to make a bird sound?
I'm getting Stewart's root beer.
Interesting. Let's see what they got here to eat. So, babe, what you think of dinner? Would you eat there again? Yep, I would too. Here's pretty good food. Even for the burgers, still is good. The service, though, on the other hand, could have been a little bit better. Don't you think? She was slow, and we didn't get our appetizer with our food, so that was a little downer. But other than that, it's pretty good. Refills were $1.64, but they did give Zachary a refill. They did give that more right there, a free refill. So, that up the tip. Alright, there we go. We're making stop. The cook's shop. Like she needs any help with that. This is what I'm talking about, the annoying sound. It never shuts up. The most annoying sound in Wildwood. So I paid for her to go into that shop because she got our cinnamon. So now we don't have to make an extra stop tomorrow, tomorrow for cinnamon. So even though I'm frowning because I need my French toast today, I'll get it. So thank you, baby. That's me thanking her because she was a good wife this time. I love coming to these stores, these little sayings. Here's one up right here. Oh, sorry guys, I don't mean to make this blurry for you. Bring that part out. That's one. The other one that I like, my wife said she made this one.
Which one's that? Yeah, that's absolutely right.
But I am a kid. And she knew that when she married me. Big kid. Okay, do you see that sign? Please keep bike off rails. What do we see? Oh, a bike on a rail there. And a bike on a rail here. I don't think they really pay attention to the rules.